How to export private key on SafePal. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are on SafePal and wondering how to export your private key safely, first of all, launch open the SafePal app on your device and log in to your wallet. From the main wallet page, go ahead and tap on the wallet drop-down or your wallet name drop-down at the top. This will take you to this My Wallets tab where you need to click on the three dots right next to one of your wallets you want to export the private key for. Now click on Export Private Key. Now click Confirm. Now you'll be able to see different networks on this page. Each network or account has its own private key. Pick the network from the list that you want to export the private key for and enter your security password for your wallet. You'll then be able to see this page where you can tap on Copy Private Key and your private key will be copied. Now you can paste it somewhere safe or private, or you can also write it down on a paper. Always choose the right network before exporting and you'll be able to export your private key from SafePal. You only should export a specific private key if you're importing a specific network account into another wallet or you know exactly which blockchain you're using. Now you know how you can easily export your private key from SafePal. Each network you see have its own private key, but all of them come from your one recovery phrase or the seed phrase. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.